Hey guys, welcome back to another video guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your American Express card to Apple Pay, right? It's really easy and simple. So first things first guys, of course what you want to do is you want to open up your wallet app on your Apple device, and you just want to tap on this plus sign here at the top right corner, okay, to basically add your American Express card. Then you just want to fill in your necessary details, your name, your expiration date, and the CVV number. And then what's going to happen is they're going to attach it here, but then you have to click on continue, and they're going to basically ask you for a one-time password, an OTP, to basically confirm your identity, and you want to follow the on-screen instructions. After you have verified yourself, the card will actually be added to your Apple Pay card. Then guys, you can just use Apple Pay to make payments, okay? And at your checkout, you can just use, either your Face ID or your Touch ID, and you can pay using your iPhone or Apple Wallet. You just take it and put your phone up to a contactless leader, and it's literally that easy and simple guys. So I hope this video helped, and if it did guys, make sure you smash that like button, and of course guys, make sure you subscribe to Smart Solutions so I can see you guys